Welcome to the Low-verse. In this episode, we'll be turning cash into crypto. Open the Coinbase wallet app, click on the gear in the right bottom corner. Then click on buy and transfer. Then click ETH, Ethereum. You're going to enter the amount you want to buy. And then press continue. On the next screen, it's going to ask you for your credit card information. If you already have one in there, just press buy. If you don't, click add debit or credit card at the bottom of the screen. Then you're going to enter your address, then your credit card information or debit card information. Then hit add card. The app will automatically put you back to the screen where you can select the card that you added. Then you click buy. Once it loads, it'll automatically take you back to your wallet homepage and you will see your updated amount in Ethereum. Appreciate you tuning in to the Low-verse. Tap in, subscribe, turn on push notifications, comment, and let me know what app you want me to show you how to use next in the crypto world. The Low.